I will educate you. Hindi akin yan lahat. I cannot make a move relative to the security of the country without asking the military and the national security council. Kaya yung agreement na yan, kung totoo, nasabi ko na sa mga military yan, you should not keep anything secret when you're talking about the national security. Ang mga military, nandyan talaga yan. Nandyan man si Anyo. He was my national security advisor. Advisor mo yan, Bongbong. Tanungin mo kung mayroong bang gentleman's agreement. Aywan ko, ayaw kong mag-insulto. Inumpisahan mo eh. O tinawagan mo sana ako, di hindi ka makatanggap nito. Ikaw putang ina ka, hindi ka nakatapos hanggang second year college pa lang. Dumaan ako sa lahat ng taga Foreign Affairs, Undersecretary Ingles, si Ambassador Terona, Viana, si David Gapos, then si Maria Sison. Doon ako medyo konting kaya huwag mong sabihin, mas marunong kayo sa akin. Alam kong ginagawa ko. Diplomatic and consular procedure. Master ko po yan, dumaan ako dyan. Any